class. Today in our science class we are going to see lesson number 3, properties of natural resources, and topic is anomalous behavior of water. Students, topic is related to density. So first of all you should know about density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. What is mass? The store of matter in a substance is its mass. Store of matter in a substance is its mass. And volume, the space occupied by a substance is its volume. So when volume decreases, density increases, and when volume increases, density decreases. इंक्रीज म्हणजे कमी होणे आणि डिक्रीज म्हणजे कमी होणे आणि इंक्रीज म्हणजे जास्त होणे. आणि व्हॉट इज डेन्सिटी? डेन्सिटी इज मास पर युनिट व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. मास पर युनिट व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. and what is the unit for density? Gram per cubic centimeter. Gram per cubic centimeter is the unit of density. Student, when we have to see that what happened when we cool water. So take 1 glass of water and keep it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, take the glass of water out of freezer and observe it carefully. The density of water is peculiar. When water at normal temperature start cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. Its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, this is the normal temperature of water, and temperature of water is lowered. Suppose normal temperature is 12 degrees Celsius and is lowered to 11, 10 degrees Celsius, 9 degrees Celsius, up to 4 degrees Celsius. Up to 4 degrees Celsius, its density increases, and after 4 degrees Celsius, its density start decreasing. And when density decreasing, its volume increases. So from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, temperature is lowered, and at 0 degrees Celsius water change into ice. Means the density of ice is less than that of the normal temperature of water, and that's why ice float on water. Ice float on water because density of ice is less than that of normal water. So what is meant by anomalous behavior of water? The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius if the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius. Its density decreases and volume increases. Density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degree Celsius, and this is called anomalous behavior of water. anomalous म्हणजे अद्वितीय, वेगळेपणा बाकी सबस्टन्सपेक्षा. सो थँक्यू.